Good morning, Miss De Los Santos.
Now, please be seated. Now, you know my name is Garcia Anel Ardel Santos. I am your prof teacher in Purposive Communication. Now, I want to know all of you. Please introduce yourself. Starts with you.
Hello everyone, my name is Leonis Masanta.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Janela Bipisa.
Hello, my name is Arnold.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Ricardo Johnson. Hello, ma'am. My name is Jan Esto.
Now, we were discussing the different types of verbal communication. Interpersonal refers to the communication and relationship you have within yourself. It involves self-awareness, self-reflection, emotional regulation, and understanding your own thoughts and feelings. Strong interpersonal skills help with personal growth and decision making.
For intrapersonal communication, we have daydreaming. For example, this is when someone imagines scenarios or fantasies in their mind, often as a form of escape or creativity.
Hey guys, I need backup
Wait.
in the middle side.
Ben, go right now.
Let's kill the Lord. Let's go. We can do this.
Back up, please. Back up.
Let's go.
Back up.
I need help. The bottom side. Let's destroy the turret.
Go.
Allah, Lord.
One more. Go.
Go. We can do this, guys. Victory.
For intrapersonal communication, we also have journaling, which involves writing down your thoughts and feelings privately, helping you reflect and understand yourself better.
Dear Diary, today I took a moment to reflect on how truly thankful I am for my family. They have been my safe place through every high and low. Their love, support, and patience have shaped who I am. Even in the most challenging times, they never gave up on me.
Now, for the second is interpersonal. Interpersonal communication is when two or more people sharing information, feelings, or ideas with each other. It's basically the way we connect, whether through talking, listening, body language, or even facial expression. Good interpersonal skills help build strong relationships and make conversations smoother and more meaningful. For example,
For interpersonal communication, we have two couples talking to each other. For example, this is a direct conversation between two people where they exchange thoughts, feelings, or ideas. For interpersonal communication, we also have a group of friends backstab the couple, which is an example of people talking negatively about others behind their back, still a form of communication between individuals.
Hey love, I hope our love will last forever.
Yes, love. I'll stay with you no matter what.
Love, you always make me laugh. That's why I love you so much.
I love you more than you have.
Love, I always dream about that you and I will have kids. But that will never happen.
I hope we stay with each other until we go.
I hope so. But you promised me you will never let me go.
I promise you 100%.
I love you, love.
I love
Can
you
you
more.
kiss me?
for third, verbal communication is small group. Small group communication happens when a few people, usually between 3 to around 10, interact and share ideas to achieve a common goal. It could be a teamwork, converting project, a study group, or even friends running an event. Good small group communication means everyone listens, share their thoughts, and works together to solve problems or make decisions. For example, small group discussion.
For small group communication, we have a group project discussion. face to face. For example, this is when a small number of people meet physically to collaborate and share ideas. For small group communication, we also have a Google Meet discussion online, which is a virtual meeting where a few individuals talk and work together use online platforms.
Hey guys, can you help me with the mind map?
Wait.
So,
I will research.
I will.
I think they
I'll go
need
to Google and some-
Joe, yes. I get it. Wait. You research the answers.
Wait.
So, you can finish this.
It's some idea from Google.
Oh,
It's just the clear verbal communication, the different types
Oh.
of verbal communication.
Okay.
Okay, that's
I get it. What's your proposal?
This is the idea. This is my idea.
Oh.
And this.
You.
This is my idea too.
Okay. Thank you. So,
Proceed to
proceed to the next topic. Thank you.
For the last type of verbal communication is public, refers to speaking in front of a large audience, like giving a speech, presentation, or lecture. It's involved with delivering a message, inform, persuade, or entertain a group of people. Some public speaking skills require confidence, clarity, and ability to engage listeners.
For public communication, we have a student delivering a speech in front of her teacher and classmate. For example, this is one-to-many communication where the speaker addresses an audience to inform or persuade.
Good day everyone, my name is Janela D. Tison. I'm here to share a topic that I believe is important and overlooked, the consequences of over-strict parenting and how it affects teenagers. To be told what to do every day without question, without explanation, and without the chance to speak up can be very frustrating indeed. Many teenagers raised by authoritarian or overly strict parents often live in this situation. In this talk, I would like to focus on one particular parenting style that at first glance may seem quite effective, but is in fact that ends up causing teenage rebellion and risk of 18 behavior. Strict parenting does have to do with discipline. It constitutes discipline without warmth, rules without understanding. Some may think this is just what keeps them in life, but research indicates the quite opposite.
For public communication, we also have a student presenting what they have learned in this lesson of their teacher, where they share their knowledge to a larger group, demonstrating both understanding and speaking skills.
Okay, that is our lesson for today. But before we end our class, I want to know if you understand our lesson. I will give you 5 minutes to think what you have learned in different types of verbal communication. Okay, class, that's enough. Let's start with you.
Hello everyone, this is a type of verbal interpersonal backstabbing. Interpersonal backstabbing refers to the act of betraying someone trust or speaking negatively about them behind their back.
For today's lesson, I have learned what is the meaning of intrapersonal communication. It is a communication with oneself, including internal thoughts, self-talk, and the overall process of interpreting and processing information within the individual's mind. And the example of it is when someone is journaling, because journaling is a self-talk. That's it.
For today's lesson, I have learned that there are so many types of kinds verbal communication, such as interpersonal, intrapersonal, group, and public interpersonal. It's quite interesting because we always do it with my friend, delivering a message to one another. Thank you.
I have learned that interpersonal communication is the process of exchanging message, information, and feelings between two or more people. And the example of it is when two couples talking with each other. I have learned interpersonal. Daydreaming is a form of intercommunication where a person engages in fantasies, mental, imaginary, and self-reflection within their own mind.
This gives a round of applause of everyone for participating to those who share their knowledge. That would be all. Thank you for sharing and participating in our class.
1, 2, 3. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mas masarap pag-vlog, walang backburn, ngayong wasak sagad. It's my turn, o pagka-pop sa pool, pati yung girl, o alipop, puff, 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 o alipop.
Sino mapay, basan yung pie Baba, kita ng kita ng hindi pangkaraniwan Sino mapay, basan yung lean Fucking mineho Pumutunod na, tumulong siya sa'kin Gusto ko yan, ako siya pinalohod Sabay niya agad sa'kin, siguro na pwede ako magpaakit Pumulo ba yan, para ako dyan madadagit Alam mo sa
Hey love, I hope our love will last forever. Hey guys. Hello. Welcome to Mobile Legends. Sorry na. Gano'n na order mo sa... Is quite with the moment. Ito ka rin.
Yung tunog parang merong tinitis dito para sa kaaway o kaya sa sip-sip. Kitang-kita ang detalye parang napunas ng lens. Tatamis ang salita ay labi kung may condense. Make sense na ako, ang great twist
Gamay ko na lahat maski bumasya ng tao. Kakaiba't